How to create instant replies in Meta Business Suite. If you want to automatically send a welcome message when someone contacts your business, this video will show you how to create instant replies in Meta Business Suite. First, open Meta Business Suite and sign in to your Meta account. Now, click on Inbox from the left side menu. Next, click on the Automations icon. Select Auto Reply from the available automation options. Now, customize your auto reply message to greet your customers. You can also choose where the auto reply will be sent, such as your Facebook page, Instagram account, or both. Once you're done, click on Save Changes or Turn On to enable the instant reply. Your business account will now send your instant reply whenever someone sends you a new message. That's how you can create instant replies in Meta Business Suite. If you find this video informative, click on like, share, and subscribe for more videos.